honor to stand before you today on behalf of King T'Challa and the kingdom of Wakanda. I am Okoye, General of the Dora Milaje. Here on a special assignment from the Black Panther himself to personally train all of you recruits to become warrior allies of Wakanda. You, are you my ally? You there in the pink mask, are you my ally? I got so. The Dora Milaje will assist me. Before we begin, let us take a moment of silence for all of the kings and queens who have left us to join the ancestral play. Peace be to the ancestors. Now, are you ready to begin your training?
Yeah.
In order to become a warrior ally of Wakanda, you must first understand the purpose of the Dora Milaje. Dora Milaje means adored one. As the defenders of the throne of Wakanda, it is our sole mission to protect the king, the Black Panther himself. It is a tradition in Wakanda that exceptional women are chosen by the tribe to train as a Dora. It is a great honor to take on such a special mission. In fact, tradition and honor are the first two tenets of the Dora Milaje. Don't worry, there are only 5 tenets. You should be able to keep up. These are the values that govern everything we do. Tradition, honor, strength, courage, and compassion. This is why we salute Wakanda forever. In battle, it takes strength and courage to face our enemies. So recruits, who among you thinks they have the warrior prowess of the Dora Milaje? Who will come forth and show us your courage? Come now, don't be shy, recruits. Oh. Brave warrior, come forward. To the blue. Yes. What is your name? Tell me again. Cassia? And where are you from? Bakaville. Warrior Cassia, from the Bakaville tribe. You are very courageous for coming forward. Tell us, are you strong? Yes, and confident. What makes you strong? Say it again. Believing. That would make you very strong. Bring such honor to your tribe. Come forever. Thank you. Give her a hand. Now, to the rest of you, I ask, are you strong?
Yeah.
Don't be shy, recruits. Are you strong?
Yeah.
Okay, you say yes. But where does your strength come from? Or your courage? Our culture has been passed down from generation to generation. Through our traditions, we Dora have trained for years with the power of vibranium on our side. What is the part of you that is in this country? What is your vibranium? Think about it. Strength and courage are like the sun. They have to rise out of us. But unlike the sun rising out of the ocean, the rising of our strength and courage isn't automatic. We Dora have to find it each and every day. We chant, Nijaru mine, za chi nasa. Nijaru mine, za chi nasa. This means I am a warrior. I will overcome. Recruits, if you can learn this battle chant, you may have what it takes to be a warrior ally of Wakanda. Listen and repeat after me. Nidaru mine. Repeat.
Nidaru mine.
Oh, we have to do that again. Nidarumine, repeat. Oh, you have put some soul into it. Let us keep going with movement. Sa, chi, nasra. Repeat. Sa, chi, nasra. Oh, and rhythm, little ones. Let us put it all together with me. Nidarumine, sa, chi, nasra. Nidarumine, sa, chi, nasra. I hit. Nidarumine, sa, chi, nasra. Excellent work, recruits. Now, can you all take it a step further? Would you all like to see a Dora Milaje training sequence?
Yes.
Okay. Pay attention. So hard now, was it? Oh, too advanced. Let us learn something a bit easier, eh? Watch. Join me if you dare. Jab, strike, crouch, block. Again. Jab, strike, crouch, block. You're stressed this morning, didn't you? Did you stress this morning? Okay, it doesn't matter if you did, because this is only for training purposes. We will stand together, tall. Imagine yourself holding a spear made of vibranium, and we will train as one tribe. Now let us begin. Jab, strike, crouch, block. Ooh, come forward a little bit, gentlemen. Show me. Jab, strike, crouch, block. Oh, you are ready for battle. Everybody. Jab, strike, crouch, block. Ooh, keep going. This side. Jab, strike, crouch, block. Look at her go. One last time. Jab, strike, crouch, block. Hey! Very good. That was enough to send any villain running home to his bride mother. What brave warriors you are. I haven't seen strength and courage like that since we've been on this continent. I am impressed with each and every one of you. You are more than mere recruits. You are now on the path to becoming warrior allies of Wakanda. Celebrate yourselves, warriors. You've earned this moment. Chant with us. Nidarumine, sa, chi, nasra. Nidarumine, sa, chi, nasra. Anna. Nidarumine, sa, chi, nasra. Nidarumine, like this one. Oh, sa, chi, nasra. Nidarumine, with strength and courage. Sa, chi, nasra. Nidarumine, sa, chi, nasra. Give yourself a minute. My heart is with you, warriors. Not only have we assembled a brave and strong group of warrior allies ready for the next mission, but we have also seen through honor and compassion here today. Look around at your allies. Look around. Really take the time to look. See them and let yourselves be seen. You are each warriors in your own way, and you shall overcome. Continue in these ways, allies, and you will leave each place much better than you found it. Now, we could stay here all day and teach you more secrets of the Dora Milaje. But we must leave you now, as King T'Challa has been alone for far too long, and that usually means trouble. Until next time, warrior allies. Wakanda forever!